Good morning, students. As you can see in the video, I have written chapter 4 quadratic equations. So we are going to start this chapter today, and in this video I will be talking mainly only about this introductory part and basic part. Okay. So quadratic equations, what does this mean? So quadratic equations simply means any equation in which the highest power is 2. And in any algebraic expression, each term will have some powers, and when we're talking only about the highest power, then we can call that highest power as degree of that expression. Okay, so likewise in quadratic equation our highest power will be only 2. You can see an example 1. 2x squared plus x minus 300 equal to 0. Equation 2, 6x squared plus 12x plus 12 equal to 0. Equation 3, 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Number 4, 6x squared minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So in all these equations, you can see some common things. Like we have x squared in first term, x in second term, and in third term we can see some numbers. These are constants. Okay, right. And like you have already learned in chapter 3, whenever we write any equation, they always comes with standard form. In quadratic equation, our standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. And this form comes with some conditions. This condition is that a, b and c, they will be real numbers. Not sure whether you know about real numbers or not. Okay, let me help you recall. Real numbers are the collection of both rational and irrational numbers. Okay, and we know rational numbers are those numbers which can be in the form of p by q, and this p and q can be any number. It can be whole number, natural number, integer. So basically what I mean is that this a, b and c can be any sort of number. Okay, and a is not equal to 0, definitely. That's very important. Why have I written this a not equal to 0? See in explanation part. Look, in our standard form, if we put a is equal to 0, okay, if we put a is equal to 0, then 0 into x square plus let's keep them as it is, bx plus c equal to 0. Then 0 into x square is 0, 0 into anything is 0, then plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then what is remaining? Bx plus c equal to 0. Now this bx plus c equal to 0. Here you see properly, you can't see anymore 2 as the power. Here with bx, we don't see any power. That simply means we have power 1, and c constant, so no power. So this ultimately becomes linear equations in one variable. This equation earlier was quadratic equation, and now it became linear equation. Why? Because of that main important condition. If we put a is equal to 0, then any quadratic equation will become linear equation. So for any equation to remain or to be any quadratic equation, a should never be 0. Okay, and there are some other equations. Actually this is actually the equations which I wrote in the beginning, but you will look more deeply, then we can see that signs are not constant. You will see this equation 1, 2x squared plus x minus 300 equal to 0. But you compare this with our standard form, that's x squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So signs are not constant, but no worry, we will keep this original sign of the standard form properly, and those signs which are not according to the standard form will take this along with that term. So see, 2x squared plus x plus, then we know that minus 300, we can write it together because ultimately plus minus is minus. Okay, then in equation 2, that's as it is, so no need to change this one. Now equation 3, 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Here in our second term the sign is minus, but according to standard form we have plus there. So what we can do, 2x squared plus, then we'll take that minus with that term, plus 1 equal to 0. Then equation 4, 6x squared minus x minus 2 equal to 0. According to our standard form we don't have any minus, so what we can do here, 6x squared plus, then that minus will take with x, plus again that minus will take with 2 equal to 0. So this was our introduction part, basic part. I hope you got some idea about quadratic equation. What else we'll be doing in this chapter. This is just the basic concept. We still have lots of formulas, but if we have proper clarity about this, then we are good to begin some questions, and that will come in the next video. Thanks a lot.